The sunflower. The sunflower, also known as Helianthus annuus, is a thoroughly popular and universally known flower. Its magnificent yellow flowering petals make it a distinctive plant. The sunflower is a herbaceous plant, which can grow between 1 and 2 meters high. In rare cases, it can grow up to 3 or even 4 meters high, making it one of the few native giant plants. The sunflower consists of a rough hairy stem. In contrast to many other flowers, the sunflower does not belong to the tuber-forming plants, but to the deep-rooted ones. The sunflower has broad heart-shaped leaves with a serrated edge, and these grow to about 40 centimeters long and 35 centimeters wide. The seed heads, which are each about the same size, are packed very tightly together in the inflorescence. The typical yellow flower heads have a diameter of about 30 centimeters and consist of 36 flowers. The flower of the sunflower is also often called the golden angle. This name is due to the structure of the flower, by the spiral-shaped arrangement of the brown tubular flowers. Incidentally, the sunflower is an annual flowering plant, which blooms throughout the summer, from late June to October. The fruit of the sunflower consists of a pericarp and the seed. The color of the seeds varies from white, white-striped, gray-striped to black. The fruit of the sunflower is a special form of nut, also called a queen. Typically, it has a high content of fatty acid and also contains abundant magnesium, vitamin E and B1. Other ingredients that are typical of the sunflower seed are iron, copper and zinc. The main cultivation areas of the sunflower are mainly China, the United States, but also in Russia, Ukraine and other Western European countries, the sunflower is native. The sunflower can be used in many ways. For example, valuable oil can be obtained from the seeds. They are also indispensable in the kitchen, whether as a topping for a crisp salad or as a topping for bread rolls. What few of us know is that the sunflower is edible virtually from head to toe, from flower and leaves to stem. Thus, it is a very versatile and important plant. It is also an important component in nature as bird food. In the fall, when the flower head fades and the seeds dry, birds can be seen pecking out the nutritious sunflower seeds. As mentioned at the beginning, the botanical name of the sunflower is Helianthus annuus. The name is derived from the Greek words helios and anthos. Helios equals sun, anthos equals flower. The origin of the sunflower is in North and Central America, more specifically in the area from southern Canada to northern Mexico. The Indians used the seeds of the sunflower at that time already as food, but also for medicinal purposes and for body care. Even today, the oil extracted from the sunflower seeds is used for medical and pharmaceutical products, for example, for the production of creams and ointments. In large parts, the ingredients of the sunflower are also known for their healing properties, for example, to protect against colds, to support wound healing or to strengthen the immune defenses.